सुप्रीम कोर्टान गोयच्या मायनिंगेचेर दिल्ल्या निकालाचेर 24 वरां सरकारान कायदो जाणकारांक घेवन कुता काडून पळयली। मात सध्या तरी गोयच्या मिनेरांनी मायनिंग सुरू करूंक ठोस कसलोच पर्याय सरकारा कडेन ना। मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकाराचो उलोवण्याचो हो सूर।
Consequent to the order, the state will explore all possibilities, including auction, to maximize the revenue of the state. All possible ways, including auction. I am not ruling out auction, but I am also not confirming auction. The decision of Bombay High Court in Litoferro versus State of Goa and Batch giving directions different from those given by this court in Goa Foundation matter is set aside. I think that answers your question. If you see before, the High Court proceeded on an erroneous basis that it could direct the State of Goa to grant a second renewal of the mining leases notwithstanding the direction in Goa Foundation. So High Court decision, based on that, we took this decision. Otherwise, our policy was moving towards auction. The court has very clearly said that. It only says that a second renewal of the mining lease granted by the state was unduly hasted, and it was based on the revenue of the state, argument that the revenue of the state, which is outside the purview of section 8.3. But I think if I go for auction of the mine, again it will be revenue of the state. So revenue cannot be determined. We went for a second renewal based on the High Court decision. There are multiple options. The earlier leases, which were the outcome of the decision of Bombay High Court, that decision has been set aside. So obviously the leases granted under that particular decision also gets set aside. The rest will be as per law. नवीन एक्टा प्रमाणे ज्यांचे रिन्यूअल जावन ना त्यो 2020 पर्यंत ऑटोमॅटिक एक्सटेंड जाले. सो दॅट ऑल लीगल पार्ट आय विल गो इनटू.
नव्या कायद्या प्रमाण जी लिजा रिन्यू केली ना ती खंय 2020 मेरेन आपोआप रिन्यू जातात.
I have told you that all state is examining all options. Interest of the people of Goa will be protected.
सरकारी तिजोरेक तसो मोठो भय ना. पावणी करप ना करप सगळ्या पर्यायांचेर खंय विचार चल्ला.
As a state, in terms of those who are depending on mining, there is an impact, for which we will try and work out fastest starting of the mining through proper procedure, various options. But state म्हणून financial impact साधारण 400 कोटीचो आसत maximum, 300 ते 400 कोटी, which we can bear, because in 2012 almost 26%. Now it is almost about 4 to 5%.
पहिलीच सुप्रीम कोर्टान गेल्ले जाल्यार खंय मायनिंग सुरूच जावपाचे नाशिल्ले. काडिल्ले मीन ई ऑक्शन करून एक्सपोर्ट करूंक 4 पैसे जोडपाचे इतलेच सध्या सरकाराच्या हातान आसा. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.